Hello and welcome to How to Write a Letter Pen Pal Edition. These are the supplies you're going to need: a pen, some paper, and an envelope which you can pick up at the Oro Valley Community Center. The next thing I'm going to do is write the date at the top of my paper in the right hand corner. Mine got a little smushed, but that's okay. Next, I'm going to write the name of my pen pal, and that's Kylie. She lives in Sahuarita, so that's who this letter is to. My first paragraph, I'm just going to introduce myself and let her know that I'm super excited to be pen pals, and we'll get started with the rest of the letter. After introducing myself, I'm going to let her know that I live in Oro Valley and I live with my cat. Just a little fun thing about me, and then I'm going to ask if she has any pets to get the conversation started. The next part of my letter, I'm going to put what I like to do when I'm not in school. And then I'm also going to ask her hobbies, again, just getting the letter flowing, nice little back and forth. The third paragraph, I'm writing about the weather here in Oro Valley because I assume it's different in Sahuarita, so I want to know, again, asking her a follow-up question. And then I'm going to write that I can't wait to hear back from her and I'm super excited. Then the last part of your letter, you're just going to sign. You can put your friend, sincerely, talk to you soon. You're just going to sign your name at the bottom. And lastly, you're going to fold up your letter just like that, or however you want to fold it depending on the size of your envelope. Then you're going to put it in your envelope and make sure you seal it nice and tight. You can use a piece of tape to keep it shut, and keep your eyes out for a video from Sahuarita on how to address your letter. We can't wait to start this program, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Look, Twiggy, we got a letter from our new pen pal. Let's read it. Look, Twiggy, Amanda has a cat too. All right, let's write one back.